Today, we will talk about how to make a cheating boyfriend feel bad. Let's have a look at the details. Dealing with a cheating boyfriend can be one of the most infuriating things ever. He betrayed your trust and you may be so angry you could scream. But hold off a sec. There may be a better way to get back at him. To help you do it, we've put together tips and strategies you can use to make your cheating boyfriend feel bad for what he did. Make him jealous of someone else. Go on dates and spend time with other people. Knowing that what he did drove you away and potentially into the arms of someone else will really make him regret it. Find someone else to hang out with. You don't have to take anything further than just spending time with them, but who knows, maybe you'll meet someone new. Act like you don't care when you find out. Your indifference could actually hurt his feelings. Cheaters can oftentimes be really narcissistic and your boyfriend may expect you to blow up when you find out about his infidelity. Stay calm and composed while you plot your next move. Give him the cold shoulder. It could make him try to convince you that he's sorry. If you're willing to forgive your boyfriend, let him know that it's not going to be easy. Make him live in the doghouse and avoid talking to or spending time around him until he manages to earn back your trust and respect, however long that is. If he's really committed to fixing things, then he'll do whatever it takes. Let him know that he hurt you. Make him feel guilty for what he did. Speak up about how much your boyfriend's cheating has affected you. Be direct and honest and tell him that you cared about him and that what he's done has ruined your relationship. He may really regret his actions. Leave him for good. Break up with him as soon as you find out. If you're done with him, be done with it. Keep it simple and direct. Just tell him that it's over and walk away from the relationship. It may kill him to know that he's lost you. Make him understand the consequences of his actions. Give him his stuff back in a box. Place it on his doorstep without saying a word. You likely have some of your boyfriend's things at your place, so gather them all together in a box. Leave them on his doorstep so he'll find it. The fact that you just want him out of your life without even talking to him will definitely feel hurtful. Tell everyone what happened. He probably won't like having people know what he did. You don't have to protect a cheater. If someone asks you why you broke up with your boyfriend, why you're ignoring him, or what's going on between you two, be honest. Tell them that he cheated on you. You can also tell them what you plan to do about it if you want, but there's no reason why you can't speak the truth. Update your look. Make him regret everything when he sees how good you look. Get some new clothes and a haircut. Change up your style and go with outfits and accessories that make you look super hot. Feel better and more confident while you get back at him at the same time. It's a win-win. Erase him from your life entirely. Delete his number, unfollow him, and completely ignore him. Force him to live with the consequences of his actions without any relief from you. Cut off communication by deleting his number and not responding to any calls or texts. Remove him from your social media so he can't see any of your stuff and you can't see his. Deny any of his requests to communicate with you. It'll drive him crazy and you won't have the added stress of having to deal with him. You could even change your number so he really can't contact you. Focus on making yourself happy. Being the best version of yourself can be the greatest revenge. Don't let his actions keep you down. Show him that you're better than ever by doing things that you enjoy and make you happy and healthy. When he sees how well you're doing without him, it'll make him regret how he treated you. Try eating healthy and exercising. Sure, it can make you look good, but it can also make you feel good, which can be really nice following a crappy relationship. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.